What's up guys, welcome back. What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We have already in the markets today. We have had a green week. Altcoins have been having a good time, been as hard as altcoins, and right now we have a green day in the crypto market. A lot of the altcoins are actually going down, and we still want to see Bitcoin above 21,000. Bitcoin has been struggling to go above 21,000. Bitcoin has been struggling to go above 21,000. Bitcoin has not been able to do that, and you can see Bitcoin right now trading for $20,000. How long will it take Bitcoin to dump? Because guys, it looks as if we're going to get one final dump to the downside. Right now, the market is still fearful. We are still in extreme fear right now. The whole crypto market is still in extreme fear. We have been in extreme fear for a very long period of time. How long will this dump last? Only time will tell. Guys, let's look at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. At number one, we have Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is going for 20,700. At number two, we have Ethereum. Bitcoin is down 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is down 2.7%. And the stablecoin wars is still going on. USD Terra and USDC, we have $11 billion worth of market cap between them, and the gap is constantly getting closed. BNB is at number 5, Binance USD is at number 6, XRP at number 7, we have ADA Cardano at number 8, number 9 is Solana, and number 10 is Dogecoin. And the funny thing about the top 10 cryptocurrency, we have everything there. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, then we have the meme coins, and we have other Ethereum clears. The top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, we have Terra Classic USD, it's up 274%. This was pegged to $1 at some point in time. Right now it is actually pumping, but I don't know people that are trading it. Some people still like just doing risky things. In the loser section, we have Run, FTX, Near, 1 Inch, and Story. These are the losers, and the day before yesterday they were the huge gainers in the market. So let's look at some news stories happening in the crypto world before we look at some charts. Google users think Bitcoin is dead. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. People searching for Bitcoin is dead. The actual search has actually increased over time, and that's what happens in the bear market. Right now, a lot of people are thinking the Bitcoin bear market is still going to go lower, but history is showing us that we are almost at the bottom. Traders expect July to provide BTC price catalyst. We have been in extreme fear for like 3 months, guys. At some point in time, we're going to go back to greed, and normally it's when it's in extreme fear that the opportunity is always there. Other news stories happening in the crypto world, we have smear campaign, Nixo response to accusations of stealing donations, siphoning funds from charity. Now, a Twitter user is claiming that Nixo actually stole some money from some children charity, and they have been making money for themselves on the low, doing some illegal stuff. And Nixo actually came out to publish a cease and desist, saying people should stop trying to smear their name, and that the campaign was coming from an anonymous source. They actually tried to buy this account. The person said he was going to sell the account for 50,000 USD. So that's the story that's developing. The guy was warning people that they should take out their money from Nixo. Just the way socials went down, that Nixo might go down. Now, Voyager Digital issued notice of default to 3 Arrow Capital. Contagious is still happening in the market. And what happened in the crypto market is that some people actually went and over leveraged themselves, some big players in the market. So as the price of Bitcoin started falling down, guess what, guys? They actually got liquidated, and 3 Arrows now have been owing a lot of people. First of all, it was Terra Lunar that crashed, which affected them. And then when Bitcoin went below 20K, a lot of them were margin called and they couldn't pay their debt. And right now, a lot of people that borrow them money are in deep trouble. We'll still be following these stories to come. Still, the price of Bitcoin can dump lower because a lot of these big institutions will still want to buy on the low. I don't think 20,000 the bottom of the crypto market. We might still dump lower. And Swiss National Bank executive regulators may favor centralized stablecoins after Terra crisis. Guys, I've been telling you guys continuously that at some point in time, the governments will come and say they want to regulate cryptocurrency. Why? Because of what happened with Terra Luna. A lot of people lost their life savings there, which is not good to see. And what they say is, my fear is that people will throw all decentralized stablecoins in the same kind of category, which is not true, so there's a danger. I think that regulation will favor centralized stablecoins. It's actually true, because of what actually happened. Almost brought down the whole crypto market. That crash that happened on the 11th of May 2022. And crypto conspiracy theory abound, but prop traders are just doing their work. And people are saying, Alameda Research, they are trading at the same time. They have an exchange. At the same time, they have a blockchain that they are backing. So, like, where we would draw the line? It seems they are trading against other normies, but in the same time they're helping the space because FTX actually just bailed out a lot of these firms that were in trouble. We'll continue following these stories in later episodes. 2022 bear market has been the worst on record according to Glassnode. Guys, we're seeing Bitcoin actually flashing so many metrics that it has not flashed even at the bottom of other bear markets. I still believe Bitcoin will go lower, so drop it in the comment section. How low do you think Bitcoin will going to go in the bear market? I think Bitcoin might probably go as low as maybe 13,000. You can actually touch 14,000. But I don't think Bitcoin will get to 10k. A lot of people are predicting 10k. I don't think that will be possible anytime soon. Anonymous vows to bring the Quan crimes to light. And the founder of Lunar, news stories have been going about him trying to escape his country and all. And Anonymous, the hacker group, saying they are going to bring out all the things he has been doing to light. Remember, we got news that Quan was actually cashing out $80 million weekly. Is that true? Only time will tell if that was true, because Anonymous said they'll be looking into it. And small-time investors achieve one BTC Dream as Bitcoin hold 20k, and the people holding one Bitcoin or more in their wallet actually reached a new all-time high. A lot of people are finally able to afford one Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently around the range of 20,000. And guys, I think this might be the last time average individuals will be able to buy one Bitcoin. A lot of people are actually posting on their account balance saying they have over one Bitcoin, and number of wallet addresses having at least one Bitcoin actually got to an all-time high. That's actually good to see. At the same time, the people that are actually searching for is Bitcoin is dead is actually reaching an all-time high again. That's actually what happens in the bear market. Let's take a look at some charts right here. And Shiba Inu, one of the gainers in the last 1 week, you can see that Shiba Inu is down bad. And that's the thing about the bear market pumps. And people always think that, oh, the market is pumping, but look at where we're coming from. Shiba Inu is still down from its all-time high. Is down 91%. I may see further downside for a lot of these altcoins, and the bear market is where everything just goes down only, and it looks as if every day everything is dumping. And we have Engine Coin, another gainer in the market right now. It looks as if it has gotten into its limit. You can see that it gained over 50%. It got to this region, the region on the Terra Lunar situation. That was on the 11th of May 2022, and right now that's a very, very important resistance for it. And if you can break through it, maybe we might get to as high as $1 on Engine, but right now Engine is battling 57 cents. And Sandbox 2 gained in the last 1 week, even though it's down more than 80% from its all-time high. It gained 27% in the last 1 week. From its all-time high of $8.5, Sandbox is down 76%. And the next chart we'll be looking at is Zilliqa chart. Zilliqa 2 actually pumps. In this last 1 week, Zilliqa pumped over 60%, which is good to see. Zilliqa sets a high here on March 2022, not the all-time high. It attempted to go to a new all-time high. It couldn't, and it dumped further. Right now, from that region where it was in March 2022, Zilliqa is down more than 50%. Zilliqa is actually down 86%. These are some bear market numbers, crazy numbers. And Polygon Matic, that's another coin too that is down. It was a gainer in the last 1 week, but from the all-time high, and Polygon Matic is still down more than 64%. Guys, you need to be careful. All coins in the bear market, if you think they are cheap, guess what? They can get way cheaper. The crypto unicorn index is telling us we only have 50 projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion, and it looks as if we are setting new lows. If we get to projects, if we have only 39 projects having more than $1 billion, that will be the 2018 all-time high. Are we going to get there? Only time will tell. Altseason index say we are not in Bitcoin season, but at the same time, guys, we are not in Altseason. We're actually being closer to Bitcoin season than to being Altseason. Let's take a look at some other news stories happening in the crypto world. How low can Ethereum price drop versus Bitcoin amidst DeFi contago? Now, Bitcoin against Ethereum against Bitcoin has not set a new all-time high, and the chart is very bearish. A lot of people are expecting Ethereum to lose value against Bitcoin. At the same time, the whole social situation and the whole 3SC situation is actually affecting Bitcoin. So even Bitcoin is actually affecting Ethereum. So even though Bitcoin is actually dumping, Ethereum is actually dumping way harder than Bitcoin. You can see that previous bear market corrections for Ethereum has been 72%, 94%, and right now 82% and counting. How low will Ethereum go in the bear market? Only time will tell right now. And China BSC chair calls Bitcoin Ponzi, stablecoin fine if regulated. which other news stories happening. Bitcoin short-term price prospects slightly improve, but most traders are far from optimistic. Many people are calling for lower prices of Bitcoin. At the same time, I can see Bitcoin probably going to as high as 23,000, but right now we might see Bitcoin dump to as low as 17,000 at first, because the all-time low we set for this cycle has been 17,600. Can we go lower? Only time will tell. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.